In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get A2P approved inside of GoHighLevel so you can start sending out text messages from local numbers and stop getting into spam when you call someone. Okay, so let's just get right into the video. It's a quick and easy tutorial, so just keep watching, okay? So, how to verify your phone numbers inside of GoHighLevel. So yeah, just a quick about phone numbers on GoHighLevel. You must verify your phone number to send out text messages in GoHighLevel. It's something new they added to just decrease spam and everything, okay? And you only have to do this one time. So that means when you have registered A2P one time and it got accepted, you never have to do it again on that sub account. And the same goes for toll-free. You just have to do it one time per phone number and then it's done. Okay, and there's two types of verifications. There's A2P for sole proprietors and legal businesses. And then there's toll-free numbers for people without a registered business who still wants to send out text messages. And they can use toll-free numbers for this. So you can do the phone verification from anywhere in the world, so it does not matter where you have your business registered or where you're located, because you can do it from anywhere, okay? And this works with any type of business. You just have to be registered or you have to be a sole proprietor, okay? So yeah, now, if you are not a sole proprietor or you don't have a registered business, you need to go follow this guide, toll-free guide. If you don't have a registered business and you're not a sole proprietor, there's no way you can get an A2P phone number as in a local number. As of right now, you need to register your business to get that. Okay, so go watch this video right here if you don't have that. But if you have a registered business or you are a sole proprietor, you can just follow this exact guide I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so first off, this is what you need. You need a GoHighLevel account. If you don't have a GoHighLevel account, you can just sign up right here. You should already have one, otherwise you should not have clicked on this video. And then you need a local number on GoHighLevel. So you need a local number right here. If you don't already have one, you can click on add number, add phone number, and then choose the United States. Okay, so you need to add a local number before we can start. And just a quick heads up as well, you only have to do the A2P if you're going to send text messages out to the US with a US phone number. So if you're in the UK or in Germany or something like that, Australia, then you don't actually have to do the A2P as of right now. It might have changed when you watch this video. I'm not sure, but yeah, as of right now, you only have to do this if you're going to send out messages with a US phone number, which I'm going to do for my agency or my SaaS business. Okay, then you need to use the Lead Connector phone system. You should already be doing that. Physical address, you need a physical address, of course. You need a registered business or you need to be a sole proprietor. And then you need an email address. That's everything you need to do the A2P registration. And this is the most important thing because that is what separates the A2P from the toll-free. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into it. So you see right here, you see I have not done it yet. So what you want to do is go to Trust Center. You want to go into settings and then phone numbers. If you don't know where I'm currently at, then click on Trust Center. After you got a phone number, then you scroll all the way down and click on Start Registration Now. And then you want to just answer these questions real quick. Is the business entity you're registered located in the US or Canada? No, I'm currently in Denmark, so I'm not in US or Canada. If you're in US or Canada, you just leave it yes, okay? Does the business you're registering have a tax ID? Yes, it does. So then you see the error got removed. I'm in Denmark, I have a registered business in Denmark, but yours might be different. So yeah, just kind of follow the steps right here. Okay, so now we get into the business details. So first thing you want to do is fill in all of your business information in the brand registration, which is where we're currently at, okay? So basically my company is called Haprock Digital and it's an LLC, right? If you're not sure what kind of business your actual business is, if it's an LLC, corporation or whatever, right? Then just put LLC behind it and you should be good. That's what I do. In Denmark, we don't really have anything called an LLC, but I always just put LLC and I'm good, okay? Business type, you see LLC or sole proprietorship, okay? So business registration ID type, so that's other because I'm not on this list right here. If you're in one of these, you of course choose that and put in your number. Okay, and what you do after you choose other, you see a pop-up comes up and then you just want to put in what kind of business it actually is and what it's called, right? So in Denmark, it's called a CVR number. Okay, that's what it's called in Denmark. So whatever it's called in your country, just put that in. You see if you choose one of these, it does not ask for that, okay? Then you want to paste in your business registration number. I've of course blurred this out so you don't track me down. And of course, if this is a bit fast, then just speed the video down or take it in slower steps. I just want to get through it fast, okay? business industry. So I'm in media because I run a social media marketing agency. So I'm in media. If you run a SaaS or something like that, you're actually also in media technically. Then you want to put in a business email. So you'll just put in your business email .com. If you don't have a business email, you can try to put in your personal, but I cannot guarantee that you will be accepted. So just put in your business email or create one really fast through G Suite. You should already have a domain for your business, otherwise get a domain. In the guide right here, I show you exactly. I have a video on it. If you go all the way down, setting up your domain. So you just want to set that up as well. And then website URL, you just put in your domain basically, okay? .com. And that's really just it. Business region of operations. So where do you work? I work in US and Canada, so I just click off everything else, okay? Okay, and then business address. So where is the business actually located? So I'm in Denmark. Again, I've said that a couple of times now. So let's find Denmark. Denmark is right here. Enter your state. It's called Midtjylland, where I'm at. Middle of Denmark. And then this is my address. I've blurred that out again because I don't want you guys to track me down. Continue. Then I just put in my name, last name, and all of that, okay? Email address. This can be your personal email address. That's completely fine. For the phone number, you want to put in your personal phone number. So choose your country code. Denmark. And I'm just going to blur my phone number out again. Job position. I'm the CEO of this company. So continue. And then you just want to choose the low volume standard. And then just click on I acknowledge that you will be charged this. To do it, this is a one-time fee that you just have to pay to do this registration. But as I mentioned, you only have to do this one time. And then you can use local numbers and you will not go to spam, all of that sweet stuff. So yeah, click on continue. You just need the low volume, nothing more than that. And what we then want to do is start following the guide in here, okay? So we see if we go all the way up, you see we have this is the beginning. You find this sheet in the description, by the way. Then you see campaign registration, okay? So campaign use case, low volume mixed. That's right. Use case description, you just copy paste this into this. Sample message 1. Then you see right here. And make sure that you include LLC or corporation or whatever in these, but I'll show you that right now. So if you take this, hi David, it's Turkle, my full name. You want to put in your full name. What you just put in the brand registration, you want to put in now, okay? So Turkle Haste Christensen from Habrock Digital LLC. And the reason I put LLC right here is because I put that in the beginning as well. So you want to make sure it's the same information that you put in both places. Otherwise, you will most likely be rejected, okay? So you copy that, fill in that, and then you then take this one as well. So you just do the same thing. You can just copy it from up here like this and just paste it down here pretty easily. And then you see right here, something free or niche offer. So that could be a free training. Pretty easy. Okay. And then you don't need to check off these two. Just make sure these two are checked off, as I say in this guide, right here. And then you just click on continue. So how do lead/contacts consent to receive messages? Then you just want to go even more down. And then you see, please use this website example to create something similar. You click on that. This is a funnel we give to GoHighLevel so they can see that people actually opt into the messaging and everything. This does not have to be the exact form that you actually used for this. Maybe they come from Facebook or something. This is just to get you registered because that's what we want, okay? So here's a snapshot. You can download it and import it to your GoHighLevel account. I'll show you exactly how to do it. You just click on it inside of this, click on it, and then you just wait a bit. And then you import that to your GoHighLevel account, and then you import it to your sub account. So let me show you exactly how to do that. We see we just imported it like this, and then we go into sub accounts. Then you choose, and then you just choose your sub account, the one that we're currently doing the A2P for. Then you click on actions, and then you click on load snapshot, and then you then choose the A2P snapshot that you just imported, okay? Then what you do is you basically select all. Then what you do is you click on skip on custom fields. You select all on custom values. You select skip on email template. Forms, you select all. Websites, you select all. Review and settings, you click skip. Service, you click skip. Tags, you click skip. So you only have to be on these 3. Those are the only 3 that you need from the snapshot. All the other ones are basically standard that comes with the snapshot, so you don't really want to import that, okay? Then you click on proceed, click OK, and then you just click on switch to sub account, and then you should have it imported. And then let's see the next step. So now what we want to do is copy this, all of this, into this automation, okay? Users can opt in by visiting website opt-in form. Okay, so website opt-in form, we want to find that, and that's why we just integrated the snapshot. So you go to sites, you see you now have this right here that says A2P funnels. So what you want to do real quick is just put these ones, move to folder, move the opt-in funnel to folder, move the privacy policy to folder, because this is all the A2P funnels, so you don't want to mix them up and accidentally delete it and stuff like that. And then you also want to move the terms and conditions to the folder, okay? So let's do that real quick. I know this is a bit of a long video, but after this you will be A2P approved, so you will be very happy. Okay, now that we've moved it into a folder, let me show you exactly. You see right here, sometimes GoHighLevel is a bit weird and removes the steps inside of the funnels, right? So if that happens, I accidentally just deleted terms of service because of this problem, so I just deleted it. But if this happens to you, then I just added into this guide the exact links for the funnels, okay? So you just manually want to click on them and integrate them. Okay, I know it takes a bit more work, but then you have everything you need. You still have the forms and all of that, they get integrated. So you just add funnel like this, you click on, and then you just choose which sub account you want to put it into. And then you just call it privacy policy, new or something. And then you just clone funnel, and then it integrates automatically to it. Okay? So you see now we have it with the actual step in it. So it will not cause any problems. Okay? So let's do that with each and every single one, because I experienced this bug now and I'm pretty happy it happened, because then you know exactly what to do as well. So let's do the same thing for the other 2. Add funnel. We call it new, like this. You choose location. So yeah, after you've done that, I just want you to quickly do it with the rest, do the exact same steps, and then when that's done, you just you'll see me again. I'm just gonna do it real quick because it takes some time. Okay, perfect. So now you see I just imported them all. I called them new. So what we want to do real quick is just quickly delete these, because we can't really use them for anything. Of course, you don't know if this will happen to you, so just integrate everything to be safe. Maybe you don't have to go through these annoying steps, but you just delete them real quick, okay? So yeah, when that's done, you just basically add them to the folder again. So we have them in one place, so we know exactly what to do. So we just put them into A2P folder again. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, perfect. So now it's done. We want to go into this one real quick, and then just go into this. So you see right here, end users can opt in by visiting website with opt-in form. Okay, so we want to find this now. So that's this one, opt-in funnel. Okay, so what you want to do is click on settings and then choose a domain for this. That's all you have to do for now. So you save that, and then you should get a domain right here. You don't have to change it, you don't have to do anything with it, and you just copy paste it, okay? Adding the phone number, check the box to agree to messaging from company name, from Habrock Digital LLC. As I told you before, you want to add LLC and add your company name, okay? And now that we are on this page, we just want to make sure quickly that the form is actually working and everything is up to date. So you see unable to find form, let's fix that real quick. And that was because we integrated from another sub account, basically through another link, so it didn't go together, okay? So let me show you exactly how to fix that. So you just click on this down and then edit a new tab, then you get into this. And then you just click on this, and then you just choose the opt-in form, okay? And then you get this. You see, you want to make sure you have this, agree to terms and conditions. You just click on publish, okay? And then now, if we reload this, and then you want to make sure you click on publish, and then now if we reload this and click on the I, then you see it's done, okay? And if you're awake, you might have noticed that I'm actually not using my haprockdigital.com domain, which I'm actually registering for or through. And that does not matter. You can still use other domains. Of course, you should just use your own domain. This guide is for agencies who's doing the first A2P or are doing it for a client. And of course, you're going to get the client's business information, or you're going to use your own for your own company. This is basically a free course I have where I'll just use the same registration. So it works. Yeah, so it just works, okay? So yeah, copyright by haprockdigital.llc. You want to change this as well to your company name down here real quick. That should be pretty easy to do. So you just change that to your actual business name, and then you change the logo, and then you, of course, if you're not in Metspa, you of course change it, okay? So that's everything for that one. Let's see what the next step says. Users can also opt in by texting help to phone number from GoHighLevel. Okay, so we want to find the exact phone number that we bought or that you bought before you started this. Okay, so if we click on if we click on phone numbers right here, we come into the phone numbers again. And then you just want to copy this exact phone number as it is, and then you want to paste it directly into here. Okay, that's it. Opt-in message. Let's find it. Whoops, on this guide. Let me just delete these tabs. Opt-in message right here. So you want to opt that in. You're now opted into Haprock Digital LLC. You're now opted into Haprock Digital LLC, and of course you just want to follow my steps. And perfect. So now you can actually click submit, but wait, with that, or if you just did it, that's completely fine too. I know I said it a bit late. But what you want to do before that, you see on this funnel actually, you see that we have a few things, okay? So you see we have the terms and conditions. It goes to haprockdigital.com, and we have the privacy policy, right? That goes to haprockdigital.com/privacy policy. We want to change this to your domain, so it's in your information, so you can get approved. If you don't change this and make it in your information, then you will not get approved, okay? And that's why I gave you these other funnels. Let me show you. So if we go back out here, and you now have two tabs open, okay? One of them, you want to go to settings, and then you want to scroll down and go to custom values, okay? So now that you're in custom values, you just want to look at it real quick, okay? The other one, you just want to click on back right here, and then you just want to quickly set the domains up for privacy policy. Click on settings, please select domain. Make sure it's the same domain for all of the funnels so they go together. Let me show you. So now that's done for privacy policy. And then you have terms and conditions. Just want to do the same. Rising agency, save. Let me just close these ones down. Okay, so now that's done. Then we want to go into this one. So client email. This is all your information. I don't have any other custom values on this sub account because it's a new sub account, just to show you exactly how to verify it. So you just put in your client email. So that's your business email. So that's turkle@haprockdigital.com. And then you just click on update. It's taking a bit slow. All right. Client name. Basically, all of this information, you just quickly want to put it in. Okay, so I'll just do it with you. So that's Turkle, that's your full name, or the client's full name, or whoever you're registering for, okay? Let me just do it. Company address, you want to put in the address that the company is registered to, that you put on the brand registration we did in the start, where it asks for the business details. So you just want to put that in. I'm not going to put it in right now. Company logo URL. You don't have to put anything in this one. Company name, you want to put your actual company name. So that's Haprock Digital LLC. It's really important you remember LLC, okay? Or whatever your company ends on. Company phone number right here. And then you actually just go up to phone numbers right here. And then you just take this phone number again that we just used. So you just copy this again. Click on custom values. And then you just paste it into company phone number like this. Click on update. All right. And then what you want to do quickly is go back to this one and then copy the opt-in URL. You can also go back in the funnels. If you go back in the funnels, you can also find it there. I'm just going to take it from here. And then you paste that in. And then we want to find the privacy policy page. So as the last one, so we click on the privacy policy page and we then just copy this, okay? So now that we've done all of that, let me show you how it will look now on the funnels. So now we just did all of this information, okay? Then if you click on this right here, because it was made in custom values, you see it auto-filled everything. So you see Haprak Digital, in the bottom two, Haprak Digital, the phone number, everything you need in it, and it did the same thing for the terms and conditions. Okay, so this is a very, very easy way to do everything fast, and that's why you should just follow these steps for it. And then the last thing we want to do is actually click on forms and then click on builder. Okay, and then what you do is you see you have your forms right here, but you just need to pay attention to this folder, A2P forms. So you click on that, then you click on this, and then you are inside of the terms conditions. You should be like this, and then you have it. Okay, so the last thing you need to do is just click on this and then change this terms and conditions right here to your URL, because then it goes together everything. If you do not do this one simple step, they will actually not approve you, most likely. Okay, so remember to do that. Click on save, and then you're actually done. So before we actually click submit, or if you already clicked submitted, you're basically done. Then just quickly double check that this opt-in form is working on terms and conditions, taking you to the right URL. It is. You see Haprak Digital terms and conditions, and it should say your company. Okay, and then we try to click on privacy policy, see what that happens. Okay, that didn't fix the URL, so we want to look into that, of course. So we just want to quickly go into the opt-in form. Let me find it. Of course, this is a bit of a headache, and sometimes it just doesn't work the first time, and today it didn't, which is just good for you guys, because then you don't have to figure everything out yourself, because I went through all of the steps. And then let's see, we want to fix that real quick. We don't want to close that one. We can just click submit now while we fix that. So now you're done actually, but let's just fix the privacy policy problem. First, let's see where it goes to. If we just mark everything, click on this. Okay, yeah, you see it actually took us to this. So what you want to do is actually go into your funnels. Right here, click back. And then you want to just take your privacy policy form. You can also fix this with custom values. And just click on this. Okay, click on save. Click on publish. And then needs to reload real quick. But then you're basically done. Yep, now it works. Perfect. Of course, this should have been in custom values. That's my fault. I might fix it for the snapshots, so it's actually custom values when you have it now, when the video is uploaded, but I can't promise anything. Maybe I forget. Don't hate me. But that's the full guide on how to actually do the A2P registration. So if you follow all of the steps in this video, you should be approved. And if you for some reason don't, this takes 4 to 7 days to be approved. So if you for some reason don't get approved for your A2P after watching this video and doing all of the steps, you can join my Discord server in the description and actually go in and ask your question on why it's happening, and I will personally come in and help you. Otherwise, you can leave a comment below. And yeah, check out some of my other content if you like what I'm doing here. And then like and subscribe. I don't charge anything for what I give out, so that's your way of actually showing that you enjoy my content, I guess. Perfect. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you get approved. Or you should, if you put in all of the right information. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.